Oh man, what is up guys? I actually have 30 minutes to actually get ready. I just got a phone call. We're actually going to be going somewhere. I mean, from the intro, you guys pretty much already know where we're going. But I'm not even ready. I have no idea how I'm going to get ready within 30 minutes. I am not a 30-minute person. Oh man. I have some things ready. I have some things ready. We got everything for the drone here, which both batteries are charged. We have the GoPro, we have our battery charged just in case. We got our sunglasses. We can never forget our sunglasses. We got an extra battery just for our Sony, our point and shoot. Gimbal just in case, and this is just for my my phone. That's a light. Book bag that everything's gonna go into, sandals which you gotta bring, water bottles which are over there, and I feel like I'm still missing something. I feel like I'm still missing something. I hope I'm not missing anything.
That's for you, Chris.
What? Why say he's going first?
Oh, yeah?
Alright, so this is my attempt. Yeah, this is my attempt at water skiing. Let's see how this goes. Hopefully I'm a professional.
Hopefully.
Up, lift! How'd it go?
Oh man, it's difficult. But yeah. Well, that last one. My left ski dipped in.
Oh, yeah.
And like my right one was up, and I felt myself like trying to push up with my right, and like, oh, hold on. And I was like, nah, that's not gonna work.
I hope this thing comes back. You think so? It's about to take off? Alright. It's gonna...
Why you all the way back there?
That's the time between them.
I was gonna ask what bridge is that?
Yo, there's so much water here.
Oh, that was great.
I don't know how.
I have no idea what this new Pop-Tarts he's talking about.
I saw it in a commercial. It was like half chocolate, half vanilla, I think. Or half root beer, half vanilla. It's fine.
Root beer? There's a root beer Pop-Tart.
I could
No, you're lying.
No, I mean, look it up, man.
I gotta go search for this.
Two different, I'm telling you, 2 in 1. 2.
And our Labor Day fun is done. It's starting to drizzle. So, we're gone. It was a great Labor Day boat ride that we did. I'm tired. I'm exhausted. Pretty sure she is too. I guess what we're gonna do now is finish the day off with some croissants, and you guys can see these treats that we're gonna go get right now. It's called Merveilleux. Merveilleux? Merveilleux. Oh god, I'm exhausted. This is Merveilleux. Ooh. A big ass.
I think I might get the big one and then a croissant. I still feel like I'm on the boat.
You still rocking?
A little bit.
Alright, let's go home to have these croissants, and let's go home and have these croissants. Alright, so this is what Merveilleux has. There's the croissants, there's the chocolate croissant, and then there's the sugar brioche that I bought. And this is all from Merveilleux. Amazing, amazing bread or desserts or whatever the track you can actually gonna get over there. It's worth it. Go check it out. Look at this. That's a croissant. I already bit off. Well, I had to take a little piece on it. I couldn't wait. So, but that's the croissant. Look at it. It's amazing. Oh my goodness. It's just good. It's great. It's the chocolate croissant. That's all from them. You guys can see. That's amazing. All that stuff is really good. Definitely not gonna finish this right now. But that's the sugar brioche. I'll cut that in half. Super, super good. It's on 8th Avenue and Jan Street. Definitely worth it. Even just to pop your head in, or just even, oh my god, just go. That's it, just go. In any case, thanks for watching the video. I check you guys out in the next one. Remember to go to Merveilleux. These are amazing, amazing bread. Fun thing about this hat, I always travel with this hat. It's really, really dirty. It's kind of gross. But, you know, I've washed it so much that it's just become my travel hat. And it's become my travel hat, now it's become my boat hat.